This video aims to showcase how to use IPscreener. First, we're going to make a new search case for our idea. We have some different options here. You can paste in a text and run, or you can rewrite using AI. There are also different modes that allow you to upload documents that can drive the analysis. In seconds, you get the global information analyzed for you. In the middle are the most relevant documents talking about your idea, and you can view them either their original text or as rewritten by AI. To the right are the actions you can perform on a specific document. Let's start working. While using AI to analyze the documents, I also ranked them according to relevancy. To the left is the case data menu. This shows the default associated AI review of the innovation landscape. This includes trends, competitors, and the locations of the R&D activity. You may also review the document in full text. Here you can mark and highlight specific sections of the text. You can also make comments, which will later show up in the report if you make them here. And those are custom, or you can use AI to make comments. When you refine the search, you can adjust the parameters if you want to change the result. The AI will then use the ranked documents and the favorite documents to find more relevant patterns. Then you can share the case with another person to collaborate on analysis. This will swiftly send an email to your colleague's inbox, and they can then view all of the documents that you have highlighted. You can also add custom search words. Like here, for example, I'm adding weight, which then shows up in green in the text, because that's a custom search word that I added. We're next going to make a report. Here I can view my findings, and I get a nice little synopsis of each document, which is complete with pictures and shows the abstract, a passage, and the claims, including the comments that are made on the document.